Welcome to my YouTube channel Has Education Trend. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification below, which is all. So now let's get started. Gandhi was born in the state of Gujarat, India in 1869. At the age of 13, Mohandas was married to Kasturba. The marriage had been arranged by him by his family. They had 4 sons. When he was 18, Gandhi came to London to train as a barrister. He tried behaving like an Englishman and took up the ballroom dancing. We know that he took a dislike to his landlady's boiled cabbage. In these days, he got stage fright when speaking in court. He returned to India in 1891, then accepted a job at an Indian law firm in South Africa. His experience of racism in South Africa proved to be a turning point in his life. He was refused admission to hotels, beaten up when he refused to give up his seat to a white man on a coach, and threw off a train when he refused to move to the third class compartment. After he paid for a first class ticket, when he was about to return to India, he heard that a law was going to be passed to prevent Indian people from voting. He decided to draw attention to this injustice and became an advice. However, Gandhi said, "There are many cases that I am prepared to die for, but no cases that I am prepared to kill for." He developed a new non-violent way to make these things right by getting lots of people to disobey unfair laws and to be uncooperate with rurals who were treating them badly. Over the next 7 years, Gandhi led the non-violent campaign of resistance to laws which were unfair to colored people. During this time, thousands of Indians, including Gandhi, were forced or jailed, and many were shot for striking and burning their registration cards. Eventually, the government was forced to seek a compromise with Gandhi, and when he left South Africa, conditions for Indian people was greatly improved. He spun his own yarn and made his own clothes. He encouraged others to do the same instead of buying imported British material. At this time, Indian villagers were poorly paid and were dying of famine. In 1918, Gandhi became a companion to get them to stand up for themselves against the British who were ruling India. It was at the first time that Gandhi became known as Mahatma, which means Great Soul. The British became worried about keeping control. Soldiers were ordered to prevent people from gathering together for meetings. Nevertheless, in 1919, 10,000 unarmed people attended a protest meeting in Amritsar. Without warning, British soldiers fired on the crowd, killing nearly 400 people and wounded over 1,000. People were very shocked by this atrocity, and many more joined Gandhi's companion. Meanwhile, the British rulers continued to collect heavy taxes from the people, which kept them in poverty. In 1990, Gandhi led a 248-mile march to the sea as a protest against a tax on salt. Thousands joined him in making salt of their own. Over 60,000 people were arrested. However, the British government was forced to negotiate with Gandhi and then agreed to release political prisoners. He was stopped his campaign of non-cooperation. In 1933, Gandhi went on a fast for 21 days to draw attention to the treatment of the very poorest people in India, who were called the children of God. By 1947, Gandhi's companion had weakened by the British government's hold on the country, but with the independence looming. Killings and riots raged between Hindus and Muslims who hoped to take control of the new Indian government. During the Second World War, Gandhi and his followers made it clear that they won't stop British unless India was granted independence. In 1942, Gandhi was arrested by the British and imprisoned for 2 years. It was decided to divide India into separate countries, India and Pakistan. Gandhi was strongly opposed to this idea but was forced to agree because of the threat of civil war. You can see these two are Pakistan and India. Now, Pakistan and India are divided into 2 countries. The violence continued. Gandhi's appeal for calm were ignored, so he began another fast. Only when the Hindu, Sikh and Muslim leaders promised to revert violence did he agree to take a scent of orange. A few days later, on January 30, 1948, Gandhi was shot by a Hindu fantastic on his way to a prayer meeting in Delhi. His ashes were dipped in all the major rivers of the world before being interred in the Mahatma Gandhi World Peace Memorial. In India, Gandhi is often called the father of the nation. Gandhi's birthday is October 2nd. He was a public holiday in India. Be the change you want to see in the world, which is said by Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.